Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusuafo ababa we a obeka sei se wo de wani ekirem e wo Ashanti regional omo age NDC atare omo ani ase dedenden no oka ho e na fe so NDC youth a omo gina TikTok e campaign de mu odin e de ma his excellency John Dramani Mahama en so ntini yi no emfree na edin ode wo TikTok ene TikTok gender minister. Also, her friend or gender minister because she stands with women. Inti semba eko ahunyehie ma ompe. Ne Santino, she is highly disappointed in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, despite the fact that she was part of those who campaigned for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na denti en ababa we eka say. Or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mana. Adenti necessary or appointed Professor Gyampo. Se omeye CEO Enfema Ghana Shippers Authority. Ewa bra woni pefe se Professor Gyampo ni tape ababonten a e kire se owo legon ho no me no se bio oye pedophile one enkatasie ededa e mo omu grade His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enye se woni Ghana ha wo anasa afi na omo awo woni tu apefe nti adenti na se nsem we na ababonten na still chewa besesetele we gina so aka friend say e choose Professor Gyampo se ombeye efense CEO e wo Ghana Shippers Authority. Menka senche no yenti nsem ababa we e de esudwane ensansombra.
To me, as a TikTok gender minister, a country recording, recording sexual and gender-based violence. No, any point say, oh yeah, bema, nasa documented allegation of sexual assault. Any point say, bema appointment say serving in this country because me who say I had 2 appointments in NDC. They have documented allegation of sexual abuse. You require remember, say back na a 19-year-old girl, back on so na a student, or trauma university. Let's put politics aside and speak the truth to power for once. Why should we let them serve in this country? Why should we make them CEOs and what? Why should we even give them appointments? Ye nyankrofoɔ bi wɔ hɔ a mote ona mo defend this idea we and mo ya the politics and yeah, can't be near politicizing or Ghana. And then I'm a serious country for once. What is the information that we are putting it out there for our younger ones to come and make decision out of it? Say, yet me my pedophile, and I say men with documented allegation of sexual abuse, yet me more appointments. So therefore, what are we doing to help fight sexual and gender violence against children? What you say? I am me party na yes I have to speak truth to power. I am young for mu defending. I was some defending. I was some mu defending. And they say girls even so pia bon some babeka say Ampa university one or my victim of the man. Na me bomb pass on fan court. Na go do court a man na what dem afasa akwan way so say yes for great and I say mumpia bon thing. Na mo make kasa e me testify. Na yen strip off sa position na wenya no. Na Ghana ye serious country. Pedophile 4 million and your mom appointment. I brought you only any allegation of sexual assault and so onyanya appointment. He said, "Mo person normalize it in penny for mudim kwada our Ghana has said we penny na so our voice na so we ska obetimi adi akora enko baabia aban bi so ba or besa no appointment into dear ne to protect or safeguard our girl child. Me dey be make say me feel for ma do so chen me mentina me eya no me niabre me NDC omo se me ma no odin me kan ensem social media inti me appointment and employment omo ma me bi inti say ne dey me asem dey sign no kra no me kan because me munim say appointment and employment no ye can be dey agro keke ai inti no say appointment we dey Mr President ma pam wo no mu nkofie ai me na me se me nka bi na ya na still na be ye wano den dey be gaga abe ye to say asa waye o dey bro for e man no mo ye victim no so asa maye ba ko ne kra pon no 19-year-old girl no kra ko nyase ono kra de watam chukun so ono kra de ne de no meka ba menka ne se ne
Ebusuafo ye na ya soma ya tinsem ababa we e de atudwa utie nsem a oka na eye ne ye papa na ebusuafo ko comment section asenso a ensem enkofo e kan say oh na gender minister TikTok the gender minister adenti na woman asemo ye ahaw birds of a feathers no they flock together into say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ama Professor Gyampo appointment adenti na say ehaw na you see a lot of people are complaining about this issue say Ghana a serious country any serious country be enu a ebe appoint Professor Gyampo o mema no position bia wo man mu anka by this time kwan ko mo age say ni PhD o say ni masters o say dey fini say ma chese le go on ankasa no on chira de wo hobio because adenti e na onsema babonten say woni emba deda e mo great na still unya ano enya tumi kwatena TV so radio so e kasa de magana how a wonye wo hwe no wanya wo hwe mpo na sa wote wo ba bi a wa akogine ma campaign ama party bi Professor Gyampo kwatena TV so no kasa ye na ye kasa babe NDC ne bi mo zo NDC ne NDC ne bi mo zo NDC ne NDC ne NDC na se NDC aba mo ama ne tumi mo appoint no se mo appoint ne dia ene na kire se Ghana hanom no kire se o man ya de be ye because discipline bi ani o man mu discipline be koso o man mu a na ordinary citizen bi a oni ne ho hwe e na asem ato na imrane na adi aside no so wo sika wo fame wo den na sa asem to a kire se man enkoda even sa asem to na sa wo nya celebrity wo ni fame wo ni position bi na sesike kurawa wo di ko police station wo se koda na anu mami a ni kun bu ne butra nya asem ko to obo no hu na naked abeda internet ne so ye di ho aboboyi mami nsem ba abonte o mkoye ni interview o kire se tesa no police station wa ko report wa report o ko obo se eya waresem nti o mko kan wo fie indeed eya waresem ampa na nti se o ko fie na so mko kuna police no never no in fact just Ghana hanom no mu ya dinu o ko report wa se mo police station na sisika kakra wo a o mbetuatua ho na kire asem na ya foolish case allegedly Ghana fu bi na ekeka enyem na America nti ensem we na TikTok gender minister de ababetudwa.
I'm very serious. Ebi o me go to Honorable Upon Kroma. Also show me your budget and I will show you your priorities. When you show me your budget, I'll be able to tell you your priorities. Edi na yekoso. Wo nyankopon apekwan bi edi gu NDC fu animu ase. Ma Ghana fo a yadwene ye adwuma a yadwene da wo hu se NDC nye political party a esese ye momu bedi ye so kra bio because omuni mamemu. Se ba ne se ye nya propaganda mfandi to media party bi ani wi ase enimu ye chen NDC. But se ba ne se ye wie yembu manya NDC is the worst governance away party you can ever find on the planet Earth. Na ene midimun zam kakreba. Mo amowa TikTok, se mo hwe mechia. Mo kai domestic debt exchange program. Ya papa Nana do beka say one of the hardest pill he had to swallow. Your domestic debt exchange program arehu seme women say MPP for na enkrofo de hu abufuo eto abati a yen mi ayen no yen na yebenya ho mfaso amemu sa na tie yen a debt exchange program ye de ye campaign ti a yen ma ye ho kire yen ne ade no enne enyenyen ne ye te so aba no aba na sa ade no so ye no NDC na aba benya sa dodode no to the point say enne ye maame Jane na no poku agye excellency it be the next simpie so I can say as a matter of fact debt exchange program na on the party for can say na ya de bonio na de no na very necessary very necessary mame okay say yes na abaya for bisika and abaya fa we sika na abaya fa we sika NDC for the koye dede e de koto aba no enne ye ba tan a woda Ghana no ye maame je na no puku agiman o se sa de na nka yan nka Ghana ewu enya me na me kan daily graphic and a report to ye na arehu sama a sign what Ghana say ni say ye ni media o ma dwene ye adwuma bio enne media ni na ye wo bi otumi ka say me MPP media obi say me NDC media nti enne ye ni media papa bi bio debi adentia Vice President yaka asem a yaye no na Jubilee House afre say debi sade we de begu ye ni mu ase because ya de a ye de da Ghana for say ya de bone na ye de to abadi ti ananado ene ne MPP ne Dr. Bawumi enti no wo koka say ya de papa Ghana for be hu say ye tro na ye di wom etima mu nyintum ene ye frɛ daily graphic for nanso ene technology abu utie so we are fast ya obi a flash Woman ya so omuko ya to form no na ye bi nka screenshot to dada den ni na da ho twen ye debt exchange program na ye de bo Akufo Addo tiri so ye de bo Bawumia tiri so fa ho tan de kwoto abeti Bawumia no enne dia omo ka kire ne se eya de papa na emfiri obi anu ama ese ye maame Obatan Penny the vice president of Ghana Jena Nopuku Ajiman enne because of cathedral yes ye wies kaya discarding e DNT Attorney General SSO on special prosecutors office here Juma Bomuno one more adentia special prosecutor say ono atro letter nti chenchene Attorney General fanko fo obi mfre bruchiremra na nadwini mu no nipa na dibone Attorney General say ye ntumi nkofo obi mmasa akeke wo bra ye ni nyina so papa ni solid case ntumi nye adane ntokwa na hade womo pere ya sese ni bibia bede die na Attorney General say besu say cathedral ni sika bia mfa bone na eye kwan paso tio Attorney General no crowd they were making it specific tie Ghana fo muntie ne yese niame bia nkoyie Attorney General na making it specific say sika bia yese ye eyusu ye wo cathedral no ho no e famra kwa muntu ontumi nyina cathedral no so enkofo bia ama.
So please, can you tell us your version of what happened at TV3 some few days ago?
Oh, TV3. Assembly CNA arehosem. And they say, omo frame say yemra na yemedi budget Hong Kong. Na budget na ye call ya ye kudi Hong Kong no. And the call ye say ya many finance minister. E call na finance minister na omo no interview nti. Ono omo tena ho che kama. The finance minister wie ni nkomodi no. And Alfred the host no. Efre me ne Professor Bopin say yemra me kan finance minister ho ye ni nkomo because Professor Bopin economist me say me economist and so fee say nkomo na aba na ye betimi ni finance minister dey edi ni ampa so any finance minister call ye no ye di nkomo no fefe so ma me mo yewura atofo se aba so obuade pa finance minister obuade pa ye di nkomo no kama ya yewura Bopin kan asem o kan asem bia me ne nya adwe na maka me so one me nya adwa no aka ne nyina yesre finance minister kan asema me ne nya adwa na maka onso de me kan one me nya adwa no onso aka ne nyina yesre nti hwa it was a lively program we had na akoye say ye nyina no ye de educate Ghanaians ya nka na efepa na finance minister etia ne na chikaka na so sako baby ti o sorry ko e na chese say ye mani pa foforo be kan ho nti no na yewura host no ye Alfredo Kansi o kan say yewura Kofi Bentel yewura Professor sorry when you professor I mean cause yewura Bopin by and yewura Professor Gyampo yeah yewura Professor Gyampo and ode Jones MP honorable Nelson Dofia Mako and Martin Pebu ode omu nyina dey ebaye or this uncle from the no mobile and a coye attended. Nature say, a question finance minister, but sending me a dean common or about the castle. No more mobile man, no more support to end this Customer and this Professor Gyampo and Yera honorable nurse and Yera Martin Pebu. Then I question they were not charitable to me, but my main case Yera Martin Pebu only Yera nurse, honorable nurse and the fear my post and Timibo they were gentle. Okay. In fact, omoni me nya adwen there, but na deso e ma me kra me send data na me de kasa no me send data ni bi e de ma me send data ni bi de ma yewura Nelson na ni je so eno na Professor Gyampo be so ma ono de oye na adwen say or attack me personality na nya me de and na me ba mu be catch and say they all can win prof you are not being fair to me jade o ye no na address the mechanic they and me say 1 + 1 = 2 and you better say as an academic you are also because George Oboa 1 + 1 = 3 na ye debate na omo musu now who attack me personality me nye I'm not an academic I'm not a whole lot it's not nice and no na ye me ya na ho na ye this ankomo no Professor Gyampo nya me a me som no eni osori free baby a ono wote etra yewura Kofi Bentel etra yewura Bopin say one me ba be Satam na camera na me nkwa na camera na de eda me so to sorry ya onam ho aye de oba no professor Bopin and the block and nyesa anka cheze nka obeto ahye me so omu pata wie ya me tiesi abonten no anya anto anhyɛ me so wie me tiesi abonten no sa ka asɛm bi ya me wiase me nya bi da na me pese asɛm no e wo lawyer fo nti me pese me ka ho asɛm wo ka asɛm ma na hye me pa ntu be wa unse tam anka me kɔ no me sa da mani eno na me da mani no na professor Bopin mo pese me da mani nti ho ye aprapre kakra ho na TV3 twa ya omo de kira amansan se obi ahu se me ye aggressor so what I say ba nyankopon a me som no muntie se mo de yi na ya mo fanko nyame a me som no ya wo wosoro enim se Professor Gyampo mom ne free ne end se oba be attack me. And I have put this challenge on my Facebook say I want TV3 to come out to deny say sad na nsi and I said Gyampo na akra mra me kan say nya no kre so wo sore ba so one me ba be ko so the Gyampo am sorry free ne ho because who do one aka de obeka tie me wi ya ma me kwasa me respond there. And that's how I make us an omuchaso because Tama make us an no sorry, a tune is our concert on any Bible.
Says is here they with you.
No, me person me come on. Asama, so the make court of a board, maybe could be and Miss Walk so Miss Dance for near my yeah. You're in the crown, a friend, a physical assault. The way and say, Cassie, come once a man. So I say, it is you see me now because in now. Offend the lawyer for some say me present TV3 ebo ayi nyina ba public no ma anya me gina ha akase nyankopon a me nkokura no ene me dance ni sa dam say na me kasa no ene tu Gyampo sa akom no sorry say one me ba be ko as a gentleman you don't fight
na me pato assembly see.
Assalamu alaikum families. I hope everyone is well. My siblings over here, who is a Fasik? I've been asking myself this same question throughout today. F-A-S-I-Q or F-A-A-S-I-Q, Fasik. My scholar made me understood that a Fasik is someone who openly disobey Islamic law and repeatedly committing major or minor sins, right? These people, they have no concern of repentance. It may be someone who was born into Islam and refused to pray. Normally, that is how we describe these people. You get me right? And as what Islam taught me, we should not take such people's opinion if we don't have a concrete evidence about what they are saying. My inform some serious and someone can that is why Surah Al-Hujurat verse 6, that is Quran chapter 49 verse 6 said, "O believers, when an evildoer or a Fasik bring you news, try as much as possible to verify if the news are correct. If not, you may harm innocent people unknowingly. And when the time is up for you to know,